Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing shrimp spinach fettuccine pasta. This is great for Valentine's Day, so let's get started. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I'll be using some spinach fettuccine, but a regular kind would be fine as well. I also have some shrimp already clean, washed and deveined. I'll be using some heavy cream, garlic, onions, some cherry tomatoes, as well as parsley. I have some Parmesan cheese, white wine, some complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, Italian herbs, and some paprika. Now let's go ahead and season our shrimp using garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, black pepper, and some seasoned salt. Add that to the shrimp as well as some oil and get in there and just mix until everything is well combined. Next we'll go ahead and boil our pasta. So I added a little salt to the water. In goes the pasta. You don't want to cook this too long because it's spinach fettuccine. It cooks super fast. So after it's done, drain and set aside. Here to a preheated skillet, I added some oil and in goes my shrimp. I will allow these to cook for about 2 minutes max. Then remove it and set it aside. Next, we'll add some butter to the same skillet, allow that to melt. Then we will go in with our onions, tomatoes, and our garlic. Allow those to go for about a minute or two, after which we will deglaze the pan with our white wine. Make sure you're using a wine you would actually drink. Do not use cooking wine. It will not be good in this recipe. I'm using Chardonnay, so we will add that to the pan and just cook away the alcohol just a little bit before we come in with the heavy cream. And if you do not want to use wine, you can use chicken broth or a little bit of the pasta water. Now you want to add your heavy cream and allow everything to come up to a simmer before we move on to the next step. Next, we will add our seasoning and then we will add our Parmesan cheese in here. Give it a good stir and allow the cheese to melt and thicken the sauce. So at this point, you want to reintroduce your shrimp into the sauce and then follow up with your pasta. You want to give everything a good toss. Make sure it's nicely coated in the sauce. And that's basically it, guys. We're all done. This was so simple, so easy and affordable. If you're a pasta lover, you will definitely enjoy this one. It's great for Valentine's Day. If you just want something simple, you pair this with some nice garlic bread and some white wine. And trust me, your guests will be blown away. So now let me plate this up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, shrimp spinach fettuccine pasta. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, mwah, enjoy